Hey there! Welcome back to your daily dose of market insights on Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Cela, here to help you catch the pulse of the market in just a few minutes. So, let's dive right in. Yesterday's trading session felt like the calm before the storm, with the Dow practically napping at the flatline, while the Nasdaq managed to sneak in a modest 0.3% gain. The Standard & Poor's 500 wasn't far behind, marking a slight uptick of just over 0.1%. It was one of those days that felt both bouncy and uneventful, a paradox only Wall Street can serve up. The big talk around the water cooler, the anticipation of the consumer price index dropping later today. This report is more than just numbers. It's a compass pointing towards the Federal Reserve's next moves on interest rates. After a buoyant first quarter, the market's been in a bit of a holding pattern, waiting for a sign, any sign, that might indicate where we're headed next. The elephant in the room is whether the Fed will follow through on its 3 promised rate cuts for the year. With the U.S. economy flexing its muscles left and right, skepticism is in the air. And if the CPI shows inflation cooling off, that could be the green light investors have been waiting for, hinting at a potential policy shift come June. But here's where it gets prickly. The 10-year Treasury yield has been creeping up, flirting with 5-month highs. It dipped slightly yesterday to about 4.37%, but let's not forget, the magic number causing sleepless nights is 5%. Now, for those of you keeping an eye on commodities, rising metal prices are raising eyebrows. Copper's ascent, up about 0.5% yesterday and boasting a 10% rise year-to-date, is fueling talks of a new bull market. And gold? Shining brighter than ever, hitting a fresh record above $2,380 an ounce. Just when you thought that was enough to chew on, don't forget, earnings season is knocking at the door. This Friday, banking giants Citigroup and Wells Fargo are slated to reveal their first quarter results. These reports could very well set the tone for market sentiment moving forward. So, there you have it, a market in limbo, with eyes locked on inflation data and ears perked up for the earnings bell. As we navigate these uncertainties, remember, the only constant in the market is change itself. Thanks for tuning in to Capital Markets Quickie. See you tomorrow morning in the next episode, where we'll unpack the aftermath of the CPI report and gear up for the earnings extravaganza. Have a great day, everyone. Cheerio.